Now it's time to check to see where those resources landed in your course. So we just copied over those 4 family resource documents pages from our resource sharing group, and now we need to check our classroom course to see where they are and check out how to move them. So I'm going to change from groups to courses, and you'll do the same thing as well. You'll click on your classroom course. Now if I scroll down, I have my family folder, and then you'll see all of the 4 pages copied here. The first thing that you probably notice is how awful this first page looks. I'm not sure why, but it imported as an inline page, so it looks kind of like a poster. And it's way too long to have that as an inline page, and we didn't play with the images so that it could be an inline page. So you're just going to click the cog and hit edit. The way that you change that is simply by clicking this little display in line. Right now it's kind of highlighted. We're going to deselect it and save changes. So now we just have the 4 pages. However, if you notice, the pages are not in our family folder where they need to be. There are 2 ways that you can move these pages into your family folder. The first way is to simply click and drag. You'll know it's in the folder because it'll be indented. So again, click and drag. The other way that you can add the pages to your family folder is by clicking the cog, click move, and then make the destination your family folder. Whoops. Make it the family folder. Okay. And if you click the drop down in the family folder, you should see all 4 pages within that folder.